Okay, I want to show you a way that's worked really well for me to learn different drum grooves that I find on YouTube that I think are awesome. Something that I've found that helps is the YouTube playback speed feature, right? So let's take a look at this Benny Greb groove from this My Cymbal video that I've always loved. This groove really grabbed me. Here we go. Let's try this out. Right? So awesome groove. And I remember the first time I heard that, I wanted to learn it, but I had no idea what he was doing. And luckily, there's this playback speed feature, right? So go change it to 0.75. Sometimes I'll do 0.5, but let's go to 0.75 and watch this groove again. Here we go. That's so awesome, right? So when you slow it down that way, you can see where the ride cymbal's falling. You can see where the kick's fitting in. You can go to something like Mike's Lessons, the Groove Scribe tool, and notate everything out. And really just learn it. It's going to take some time, effort for sure, but this is a way that has definitely worked for me to break grooves down when there's no tutorial video and keep pushing myself to get better and better. So hope you get some use out of this, and I hope you have a great week. Happy drumming. We'll see you next week.